guys, greetings to you all and welcome to my channel once again. This is Brave Minds Forex. Here I am going to be teaching you another top secret which I've been getting notifications from people on how to trade volatility 75 index. Actually this is one of the best assets to trade with, when we talk about Forex. It's move faster, so I'm here to reveal another top secret on how to trade this 75 index. When you're trading this, two things you need to know in mind is that the faster it grows your profits, the same way you lose if you're entering a wrong trade. Sorry about that, guys. If you're entering a wrong trade, you're gonna be losing big. But if you're analyzing the market rightfully, you're gonna be winning big. One big mistake a lot of beginners, and let me just say a lot of traders face, is picking up a trade at a wrong time. You understand me? Picking a trade at a wrong time. When I started trading, I had the same problem countless times till I was able to sort it out and understand the problem I had and faced my fears. So I can proudly say I am good with that now. And this is actually one of my best favorite assets to trade with. So I want to show you the top secret, how I trade V75 index successfully, and I work out with a lot of profit every day. So before we get down to business, I want to say, if this is actually your first time of watching my video and reaching up to my channel, I will please ask you to subscribe to my channel, so you'll be getting notification of every video I drop, every training video I drop. And also please click on your notification bell and turn it on, so every video I drop you'll be notified immediately. And trust me, if you're following my channel, you're gonna be learning big every day, every time, and every minute. So let's get down to business of the day. Sorry guys, I am going to turn my screen this way so we can see clearly. Sorry about that, guys. So you can see this market direction clearly. This is an uptrend. When we talk about candlesticks pattern, and you don't expect an uptrend to be going straight up in a straight line direction. It goes up, come down, goes up, come down, goes up, come down, but the trend is in an uptrend. I don't know if you're getting me here. So if you check up this market direction, you will see the trend is an uptrend. And what do you do when price is an uptrend? You buy. But before buying, what you need to consider is to analyze the market to know if this trade you're actually trying to pick will favor you or you will lose. Now you should only pick trade at area of your interest. One major thing is that you should pick trade at the area of your interest. If the trade if the trade is not in your area of your interest, don't rush. One thing you need to know about trading Forex is you need a whole lot of patience. So this market now is in an uptrend. Now let me show you a little thing on how I know and how I analyze my market. Now I first of all start using with my trend lines. I believe you can see what I'm doing on my screen. This is my trend line, and to know if your trend line will be respected, you need to have at least of 2 bounds on the line. If we can see this, sorry guys, I'm coming. You can see this was the first bounce, this is the second one, and this is the third one. At least this can make you understand that this is an uptrend, and these trend lines you're seeing is respected by the price. So this is my trend lines now. So I had an horizontal line which was at my resistance. Now guys, this is my resistance level. When this price was at my resistance level, I was thinking of selling because I was expecting the price to move down again, or expecting the price to move down again to this place. Yes, that was what I was expecting price to do, but it didn't do it that way. That is market for you. That is price movement for you. So a lot of people will want to say, okay, since price hasn't respected my horizontal line, which is my resistance level, what should I do now? I think I should enter a buying trade to continue. It is wrong. You're risking your account. I can say that you're risking your account. Now let me show you something you haven't known. If you're trying to pick up another trend line on top of your price, you will see something like this. Please hold on, hold on. Yes, you can see that. What I'm trying to explain to you right now is price might reverse. Price might reverse, because if you see this trend line, price has respected the first one. Okay, this is the first touch on the trend line. This is the second touch on the trend line, and this might actually be the third one. So what do you do when you see something like this? An experienced trader will want to wait for a retest. What do we call retest? To check if this horizontal line, which was my resistance level, is actually going to turn to a support level. Now if the price returns back to this level, and stops at the horizontal line here, which is actually my resistance line, which the price has broken the resistance line, and what next we want to see is to see the price move up, and that is actually the right time to pick up a trade, the best time to pick up a trade. Once the price gets to this direction and decides to move up again, that is actually the right time to pick up your trade. As it stands now, you might want to enter a buying trade to see, because the price is still going up, but it is wrong. This price might choose to respect these trend lines up here and this trend line down here. And if you're picking a trade now and the price decides to respect these trend lines and reverse when you were buying, and the price starts selling, you're losing big. And we all understand V75 index, it runs faster. You make a whole lot of loss faster, and you make a whole lot of profits faster. So what am I trying to do? I'm trying to make sure I guide you to the safe side of picking a safe trade. Now what I'm also trying to explain to you is, you need to understand your candlesticks. Maybe our next video will be understanding your candlesticks pattern. I wasn't on that today. But if you look up to this candlestick up here, sorry guys, I will have to take this away so we can see. If you look up to this candlestick up here, you will notice something. This candlestick up here, sorry, that is not the particular one I need. Sorry guys. If you look up to this candlestick, yes, the last candlestick, you will notice there is a rejection. Up there. If you notice it, you will see there is a rejection. Yes, that is what I'm talking about. The price might respect this trend line. Yes. So what happens if you're thinking it is actually the right time to pick up a trade, and then price starts respecting these trend lines to retest this horizontal line, which was my resistance, turn support, and move up again? You're running a very big loss while the price is selling down to this place. You're running sorry about that, while the price is selling up to this place, when you were buying up to this horizontal line, you'll be running a whole lot of loss, because this 75 index runs faster, faster, faster. So what do you have to do? You have to wait for a retest. You have to wait for a retest. The reason I'm talking about is to know if this horizontal line is still going to be another resistance, or it's going to turn to a support level. As it stands now, it is support, is it resistance level broken? So we can't really tell what this horizontal line is turning into. But after the retest, that's when we'll understand that this line, this horizontal line you're seeing here, this horizontal line you're seeing here, this line, this horizontal line you're seeing here, that's when we will know what this line will be. So for now, I will never advise anyone to move into buying this trade. I'll never advise anyone to move into selling this trade. Don't rush. Okay, my trend line is telling me the price will sell, and you enter a trade. It is wrong. It might continue buying. Yes, price doesn't work the way you expect it to work. But one thing you need to know about forex market is, if you can analyze your market personally, trust me, you're gonna be winning big. You're gonna be winning big. And this is one of the major means, the one of the major ways I analyze my market and I win big. So at the same time, I'm not saying using an indicator is not good, but if you have a right indicator to use to support with analyzing your market personally, trust me, that is to be a very nice one. So if you've learned a lot about today's video, anything you don't understand, you can always comment on the comment section, or I will drop a link to my free Telegram group. There I drop free trading nows for my fans to benefit. So I'm gonna drop the link to my Telegram group on the description of this video. So at the same time, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe, like this video, and comment. Your comment might go a long way to help others, or to help us work together. So I'll drop a link to my free Telegram group, so you can follow the link to my Telegram group and join the group. And please subscribe to my channel. Anything you don't understand, you can chat me up on WhatsApp or from my Telegram group. I will be there to respond to you personally. So I'm sure we've learned a lot about today's class, today's video, and remain blessed.